Sa mga kababayan, isang mapagpalang umaga at araw sa inyong lahat. Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, kamusta po? Ayan, kamusta ang lahat? So mayroon akong ipapakita sa inyo mga kababayan. Alam niyo mga kababayan, itong senador na to is bihira lang to mag-ingay. At ito panoorin natin kung paano niya basagin, patahimikin yung nasa mga senado. So malupit na mga kababayan, kilalang kilala niyo to.
Gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Lapid, is seeking the floor. I hope that he be recognized. Gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Lapid, is seeking the floor, Mr. President. I move that he be recognized. Our Kabalen.
Senator Lapid is recognized and you may proceed, sir.
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the third reading of Senate Bill number 2797. This is the bill declaring Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines. The printed copies of the bill were electronically distributed to the members of this chamber on November 28, 2024 in compliance with the 3-day rule of the Constitution. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, consideration of Senate Bill number 2797 on third reading is now in order. Senate Secretary is directed to read the title of the bill and to proceed with roll call vote.
An act declaring the province of Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines. Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Binay, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pimentel, Senator Poe, Senator Revilla, Senator Tolentino, Senator Tulfo, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Cynthia, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the Senate President.
With 21 affirmative votes, 0 negative, 0 abstention, Senate Bill number 2797 is approved on third and final reading.
Mr. President, the gentleman from Pampanga, Senator Lapid, is seeking the floor, Mr. President. I move that he be recognized. Our Kabalen.
Senator Lapid is recognized and you may proceed, sir.
Okay. Mahal na Pangulo at sa aking mga kagalang-galang na samahan mga senador, ating mga kababayan, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po sa lahat ay nais ko pong ipahayag ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Suporta ipagpasa sa Senate Bill number 2797.
Bagong pasa na
Nagdideklara sa Pampanga bilang culinary capital of the Philippines. Isang malaking karangalan po ito, hindi lamang sa aming mga Kapampangan, kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Kilalanin ang yaman at kasaysayan ng ating lutuing Pilipino. Nais ko rin po magpasalamat at ipaabot ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ating Senate President Francis G. Escudero at sa ating Senate President Pro Tem sa ito, Jinggoy Estrada at si Senator Majority Leader Francis Tolentino at sa Minority Leader Coco Pimentel at si Senadora Risa Ontiveros. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa ating mga kasamaan, mga senador, lalong-lalo na kasamaan nating Senador Mark Villar na buong pusong sumuporta bilang sponsor ng panukalang ito. Maraming salamat, pare. Bilang panukalang ito, lubos na nagpapasalamat ako sa kapwa senador.
Alam mga kababayan, ganito yung maganda talaga mga ganitong pananalita Tagalog kasi maintindihan talaga. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng Pilipino nakakaintindi ng English na salita So pabayaan mo sila mag-adjust yung mga ibang lahi dyan, di ba? Pilipino tayo mga kababayan. So maganda yung ganito. Hindi ko lang alam sa mga iba, sa mga kababayan natin, may mga mga negative magsalita. Ganito, ba't kasi Tagalog ginagamit ganyan? Nasa Pilipinas tayo mga kababayan. Ito binabati ko bakit nga daw nagtatagalog? Siyempre Pilipino yung mga kababayan. At maintindihan ng ating mga senior, kasi hindi naman lahat ng senior is nakapagtapos, nakakaintindi ng salitang English, mga kababayan. So ito, pabura ko sa mga ganitong salita, yung Tagalog. Ang ganda to Kumbaga, lalo mong maintindihan mga kababayan.
na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa tiwala at suporta upang may kakutuparan ang panukalang hakbang na ito. At hindi ko rin po makakalimutan ang pasasalamat na tumulong sa mababang kapuluan ang dating Pangulo, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, at ngayon ay Congresswoman ng 2nd District ng Pampanga, na tumulong din po paano may pasa ang aking Republic Act 9999, ang lapid law kung tawagin. At pasasalamatan ko rin po si Congressman Janjan Lasatin ng 1st District ng Pampanga, Congresswoman Ana York ng Bondok ng 4th District ng Pampanga, at si Congressman Aurelio Gonzales ng 3rd District. At nais ko rin po pasalamatan ang ating Speaker, Martin Romualdez. Kaya po, ang kasabihan po ng mga Kapampangan, lutong Kapampangan, manyaman, pagmaragul ko, kening mabilog, ayato. Kapampangan ko, pagmaragul ko. Ibig po sabihin nun, ang lutong Kapampangan, masarap at pinagmamalaki sa buong mundo. At Kapampangan ko, pagmaragul ko. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Thank you, Senator Lapid. Kanina pa bilasa at maingay ang plenaryo at gallery. Ikaw lang pala makakapagpatahimik sa kanilang lahat, Senator Lapid. Maraming salamat.
Grabe, alapit mga babae.
Majority Floor Leader. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, the chairman of the committee, Senator Mark Villar, is seeking the floor likewise for a manifestation.
Senator Mark Villar is recognized for his manifestation in connection with the third reading of the bill that he sponsored. You may proceed, sir.
Mr. President and dear colleagues, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made possible the approval on third reading Senate Bill number 2797 under Committee Report number 333, or the Act declaring Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines, of course under the leadership of our beloved Senate President Chis Escudero, and all the senators, especially our Kapampangan Senator, si Supremo Senator Lito Lapid. Congratulations, and to everyone, because everyone helped to make this bill possible. Throughout the well-decorated history of our country, at any point, our culinary tapestry did not disappoint as an identifier of the rich cultural heritage of being a Filipino. It remains a vital component of our identity as a country of impressive gastronomy at par with the global culinary landscape. By declaring Pampanga as a culinary capital, we do not dismiss the similar hearty dishes hailing from other places in the Philippines, as every delectable Filipino dish boasts of their own distinct culinary edge. This recognition of Pampanga is a way of celebrating its extraordinary influence on Filipino food while still honoring the cultural diversity that makes our nation's cuisine so rich and vibrant. Mula sa Pampanga, baybayin po natin ang iba't ibang culinary destination sa buong Pilipinas. We will continue to boost our nation's culinary pride by recognizing Filipino destinations that are significantly contributing to the continuous enrichment and development of Filipino cuisine. Sisiguraduhin po natin na patuloy ang ating suporta sa pagkilala sa ibang pang lugar sa Pilipinas na mayroon ipinagmamalaking culinary treasures. Today, we start with Pampanga as the culinary capital. Tomorrow, we explore our cherished national treasure, our cuisine, that lies in the unique story of every city and province that has long been boasting of their exceptional history and cultural importance. In closing, I thank my colleagues for supporting Senate Bill number 2797 under Committee Report number 333, as it stands to benefit not only the people of Pampanga but the entire country. By officially recognizing Pampanga as the culinary capital of the Philippines, we are celebrating our culinary heritage, investing in the development of our tourism, and securing a legacy that those who will come after us will continuously to be proud of. Mr. President, dear colleagues, our friends from Pampanga who are here with us today, thank you very much for your continuous support in ensuring that this august chamber remains dedicated to the holistic and sustainable development of our country. Maraming salamat po.
Grabe mga kababayan, isa na naman ang naipasa nitong ating senador na Lito Lapid. Gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, Isa bihira lang itong mag-ingay mga kababayan. Pero alam niyo, napakalaking achievement ng mga taga Pampanga yung mga kababayan. Makilala lalo sila, di ba? Solid. Ay sa mga bago pa lang, huwag natin kalimutan mag-like at mag-share sa aking YouTube channel ID 28. Maraming salamat mga kababayan. Sa muli.